Hey guys, this is Priyan, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to download Windows 10 and how to create a bootable USB flash drive. There are two ways to do this. First, using the media creation tool from Microsoft website. The second option is to use a third-party media creation tool. I'm gonna use Rufus as my media creation tool because it's simple to use and also it's free. So let's head to Google and search for Rufus. Go ahead to Rufus website, and under the download, I'm gonna download the portable version because you don't have to install it. Now we have our Rufus. Then go to Google and search for download Windows 10 ISO. When you go to Microsoft website, you're not gonna see any option to download the ISO file. So we're gonna get around this by using the developers tool. So you have to come to the more tools and developer tools. In the right pane, you're gonna see user agent. So you have to uncheck, select automatically, and use any other user agent. So I'm gonna use BlackBerry BB10. You can use any other agent, it doesn't matter. Then you have to, on the left side, you have to reload the page. Then you're gonna see that you have the option to download Windows ISO file. It's gonna ask for our language, so we're gonna go with English. We're gonna go with the 64-bit version, and here it is. Since I've already downloaded this, downloaded the ISO file, I'm not gonna do it again. So now let's head to Rufus. In the Rufus, first it's gonna search for a USB drive. I've already selected my USB drive, and over here you're gonna see boot selection. You have to choose disk or ISO image. Then you're gonna have press select and select your ISO file. Under the partition style, you're gonna select MBR because my disk is MBR, so I'm just gonna go with MBR. And under the volume label, I'm just gonna type down Windows bootable, and then we're gonna press start. It's asking us to format the drive. We're gonna press OK. It's gonna take some time, and after that it's gonna be done. So now it's ready. Now we can use our Windows 10 bootable flash drive, and we can use it to install Windows 10 on any machine, desktop, laptop, anything. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions.